Hey everybody. It has been quite a minute since you have seen my fire alarm system, or any sort of commercial fire alarm, uh, like actual video other than a short. But anyway, I am here to break that hiatus today, because I have a long overdue mini system test here for you guys today. If you remember the last time I uploaded a system test, this was in 2020. And it looked nothing like this. It did not have any, it wasn't mounted to anything, it was just uh, devices on the floor. Well, I've mounted it on this board, which actually used to be my alarm demonstration board. If you remember way back like when I started my channel, I had like a bell, two bells, and no, I had my the Edwards 6-inch bell, the NS, and then 270 SPO, and then my Siga 278, the one that's rebranded by GE, mounted sideways, so it was flipped horizontally. But this is that same board. I just flipped it the other way around, and I put my Vista 20p on it, mounted that on there, and the devices are up top. So let me open it up for you and show you what we got here. So first of all, the keypad is located inside of the panel, which I thought was kind of a way to make it more like a fire alarm panel, where they have like the controls inside the panel, because this is technically a security panel, which I've mentioned before. I think it looks pretty nice. I have everything kind of neat. I still don't have any batteries for it. I still need to get some batteries, so you probably saw it said system low battery on there. But anyway, as for devices, these are all devices that you guys have actually never seen before. Actually, I take that back. I know you haven't seen this before. You've seen this one before, and I don't think you've seen this one before. But this one is the ESL 445 CT smoke detector that I got with that alarm haul from that estate sale, I think 2 years ago, and back in 2021. So that was, this one is the older one that was replaced, and it still works. The LED is flashing, as you saw. And then the pull station, this is a Simplex 2099 dash, oh god, I've forgotten what the model number is. One moment. 2099-9756. This is, I have two of them. I got these both from Fire Alarm 9200, aka Garrett, so huge thank you to him for these. This one's in slightly worse condition. Cosmetically, I think it just needs to be cleaned, but yeah, I got two of these now. They're the dual action T-bars, of course. And then this back box is a Faraday back box that I got from another collector, Scott Eastman, who also sold me a Faraday strobe and a Faraday chevron, which you saw the strobe in a short that I recently posted. The chevron has not made an appearance yet, but it may in the future. So, the alarm here is a Wheelock ZNS ceiling mount version, as you can see. And yes, I'm aware that it's a ceiling mount version mounted on a quote-unquote wall, I guess. But this one, I'm not sure if I don't think I've ever demonstrated this one before. It may have made an appearance in one of my New Year's Noisemaker videos, but I don't think it's had a video where it's just been like featured alone. I got this one from Alarmax a few years ago for free. They gave it to me very graciously. And here's the box for it. Cooper Wheelock. It's one of the red boxes with the model number there. And yeah, I really like this one. I have a ZRS, the red, is it in here somewhere? It's in here somewhere, but I have a red ZRS, the strobe only, remote strobe. But yeah, so I guess let's go ahead and pull the T-bar here first and test this zone here. Whoa, I gotta do something about this. Keeps falling. Okay. And reset. Alright, so that is the pull station, which is, I think that's zone 1. Yes. And now I'm going to test the smoke detector, and I'm going to do that with some of this canned smoke here. Hopefully this will not keep it like in alarm, but you don't need a whole lot, so maybe. Yep, there it goes. And this zone is in code 3. Oh, this is zone 1, okay. I'm surprised that the strobe actually flashes in pretty good pattern there, because it is coding the horn itself through the relay there, which you saw clicking. And the alarm is not, the detector's not going to go into alarm again, it looks like. So this is zone 1, and this is zone 2. Alright, I got them mixed up. Now, I'm going to do one more test. I'm going to do a, I don't know what this is called actually, the fire button here. But let's push the button and we'll give it a test on the panel. Okay, there we go. It was saying alarm canceled, which meant that the detector was still sensing smoke, but it looks like it's cleared. Alright, so I think that is just about it for this video. That is a full test of the system, or at least what I have so far. It's looking more professional here. Eventually I do want to maybe start mounting things on the wall itself, but this is a good starter system. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.